Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Start with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most beneficial and merciful. First of all, I want to say Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope that all of you will be fine. All of you are going very well in your life. So, dear friends, we are solving the question number 11 of exercise set 1.1 of the calculus with analytical geometry, chapter number 1. So, first two questions 7 and 10 we have already completed in the previous video. So in this video we will solve the question number 11. First of all, we write and read the statement of the question number 11 from the calculus book. So the statement of the question number 11 is that x minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 by x is greater than 4 by x plus 5. This is a statement of the question number 11. X minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 by x is greater than 4 by x plus 5. First of all, we will make the associative equation of this inequality. The associative equation is x minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 by x, which is equal to 4 by x plus 5 by 1. Here we put the 1, so anything which is dividing by 1, that remains same. So here we will took the cross multiply in this side and in this side. In this side we will take the cross multiply. So when we take the cross multiply, then x is multiplying with x minus 1. At the middle there is a minus, and 2 is multiplying with 1. In a denominator 2 is multiplying with x. So this becomes x into x minus 2 divided by 2x, which is equal to, here we will do the cross multiply. 4 is multiplying with 1. At the middle there is a plus sign. 5 is multiplying with x. In the denominator x is multiplying with 1, then becomes x. So the overall equation becomes x into x minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2x, which is equal to 4 plus 5x divided by x. Here in a denominator, the both quantities of the x are same in a denominator. So these both quantities are cancel each other. It is because these equations contain a equal sign. This equation contain a equal sign. So now again we will take the cross multiplying. But in this equation, there is an equal sign between them. We will multiply this term with 1 and this term with 2. When we will multiply this term with 1, then this term becomes same as it is. And when this term is multiplying with 2, then this equation becomes x into x minus 1 minus 2, which is equal to 2 into 4 plus 5x. In these equations, this thing remains same as it is. In this side, we will multiplying the 2 with 4 and with 5x. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So this equation becomes here, when we will multiply the x with x and 1, then becomes equation x square minus x minus 2, which is equal to 8 plus 10x. So now we separate the variables. X square same as it is, minus x as it is. So in this side 10x contain a positive sign. 10x contain a positive sign. When we transfer the 10x to the in this side, then it gets negative sign. So becomes x square minus x minus 10x. In this side, the sign of the 2 is negative. We write same as it is. But in this side, the sign of the 8 is positive. When we transfer the 8 into in this side, then it gets negative sign. So the equation becomes x square minus x minus 10x minus 2 minus 8, which is equal to 0. X square as it is, the answer of the minus x and minus 10x will be minus 11x. The answer of the minus 2 and minus 8 will be minus 10. So this is a second order equation. We will solve the second order equations by the factorization method and second order formula. So this is a second order equation, but we cannot solve this equation with the help of the factorization method. So that's why this equation can be only solved by the second order formula. The second order formula is that x, which is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, contain a square root divided by 2a. In this equation, the value of a will be 1. It is because the coefficient of the x is 1. The value of the a will be 1. It is because the coefficient of the x square will be 1. The value of the b will be minus 11. It is because the coefficient of the x is minus 11. The value of the c is minus 10. It is because the coefficient of the x 0. The coefficient of the x 0 is minus 10. So the value of the c will be minus 10. So now we will put all these values to in this second order formula. Then we get x, which is equal to minus, the value of the b is minus 11 plus minus b square. The value of the b is minus 11. So that's why minus 11 contain a square minus 4. The value of the a will be 1 and the value of the c will be minus 10. Contain a square root divided by 2. The value of the a will be 1. So when we solve the second order formula, then we get the two values of x. This value and this value. This value is less than this value. So we know that x is greater than or equal to this value and less than or equal to this value. This is the solution of the inequality. The solution set of this equality is becomes minus 11. 11 minus 161 contain a square root divided by 2. 2. Values of 11 plus 161 contain a square root divided by 2. This is the solution of the inequality. The solution of the inequality contains all the values which contain these two values and between all the values which is in between these two values.